I'm going to explain about the construction of a quadrilateral when the length of four sides and a diagonal is given. That is S, 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 S and D. Example third question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeters, B2 to C is equal to 3.6 centimeters, C2D is equal to 4.2 centimeters, and AD is equal to 4.8 centimeters, and AC is equal to 5 centimeters. Here we have all sides only. I mean, four sides and one diagonal. There is no angle here. So now first to draw a rough sketch of the given for the given measurements and label it with the now it's a rough sketch. So here we have AB, ABC and C2D. So first draw a line segment of AB. So draw a line segment of AB. It's a rough sketch. AB with 4 centimeter. Then next after that B to C. B to C is equal to 3.6 centimeters. There we have 3.C, that is 3.6 centimeter. Then again next C to D is 4.2 centimeters, and A to D we have 4.8 centimeter, and C to D we have length 44.2 centimeter. And what about this AC? AC is in the diagonal of the quadrilateral, that is 5 centimeter. So for this type of constructions, first we need to construct the triangle ABC. So ABC means we are going to construct this triangle, this part. So ABC with the AB 4 and B2C 3.6 and A2C is 5 centimeters. After completing the triangle, we can construct the D point. So now first draw a line segment with 4 centimeters. Then mark point A, B and label with 4 centimeter. Now first we need to construct the triangle ABC. So next we are going to locate the point C. So the distance from A to C is 5 centimeters. Now take the ruler and take the compass length as compass radius as 5 centimeters. With the A at the center. Wait a minute, I lost the diagram. First to construct a line segment AB with 4 centimeter and label as A and B and 4 centimeter. Now we are going to locate the C point. First we need to construct the triangle ABC. So A to C, the length 5 centimeters. So take the ruler and take the compass radius as 5 centimeters with the help of ruler. And with the center A, draw an arc. And from B to C length is 3.5 centimeters. Now take the compass and take the compass radius as 3.5 centimeter. centimeters. And with B at the center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at a point C now. Now join A to C and B to C with the help of ruler. Now we have completed the triangle ABC and label with the measurements. So A to C we have 5 centimeters and B to C 3.5 centimeter. Now we are going to locate the point D now. So now we are going to locate the point D here. So we need to draw an arc from A with 4.8 centimeters. Now take the compass and take the radius as 4.8 centimeters now. Now with the center A, draw an arc. Again, the length of C to D we have 4 centimeters. Now take the compass length as 4.2 centimeters. With C as the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point D. Now mark point as D. Now join A to D and C to D with the help of ruler to get a required quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now label it with C to D 4.2 centimeters and A to D 4.8 centimeters. Next example, fourth question. Construct a rhombus best with B to E 4.5 centimeters and E to T length is equal to 5 centimeters. Now first step is draw a rough sketch of the rhombus. So in a rhombus all sides are equal. So you should construct the rhombus like this, and you should label it as best B, E, S and T, and B to E with we have 4.5 centimeters, and next we have E to T there. So what is E to T? E to T is a diagonal of the rhombus, that is 5 centimeters. Now what about other remaining sides? So all sides are equal in the rhombus, so you should take it as 4.5 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters, and you should take 4.5 centimeters. So these are the given measurements for the construction. Let's go to the construction part of rhombus. Now first construct the triangle BET. So draw a line segment P to E with a length 4.5 centimeters with the help of ruler, and label vertex as BE and the measurement 4.5 centimeters. Now to locate the T point, draw an arc with the center B at the center 4.5 centimeters. Again draw another arc with the center E with 5 centimeters an arc. Now take the ruler and take the compass measurement as 4.5 centimeters. Now we can continue all the arcs of the sides with this 4.5 centimeters. Why? Because all sides are equal. So first we take the 4.5 centimeters as compass radius. Now with the B as the center, draw an arc here, and E to T we have length 5 centimeters. Now take the ruler and take the compass radius as 5 centimeters. And with E as the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point T now. Now join B to T and E to T to get the triangle BET. Now label it with B to T we have 4.5 centimeters and E to T 5 centimeters. Now we are going to locate a point S. So to locate a point S, draw an arc with the center T as 4 centimeters and draw another arc which cut the previous arc with E as the center with 4.5. Now these both are 4.5 and 4.5. Now you should take one time radius as 4.5 and you can continue with the same radius. Now take the compass radius as 4.5 centimeters and draw an arc from T as the center. Draw an arc here. Again with the same radius. Why? Because we are taking same radius means E2 to E2S also we have 4.5 centimeters. So next with E as the center, draw another arc which got the previous arc at point S. Now join T to S and E to S and label with 4.5 centimeters and E to S also 4.5 centimeters. So it is a required rhombus based. Now I'm going to explain the problems in exercise 3.2. First question. Quadrilateral ABCD with AB 4.5 centimeters, B2C 5.5 centimeters, and CD 4 centimeters, AD 6 centimeters, and AC 7 centimeters. So first we need to draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral and label with the given measurements. And AB 4.5 centimeters, B2C 5.5 centimeter, C2D 4 centimeter, and A2D 6 centimeter. And we have that is A2C layer, that is a diagonal of the quadrilateral, so that is A2C is 7 centimeter. Now let's go to the construction part. First to construct the triangle ABC with the given measurements. So draw AB line segment with 4.5 centimeters. A, B, and 4.5 centimeters. Now first to locate the C point here. So to locate the C point, first we need to draw an arc from the A and B. So with B as the center, with the radius 5.5 centimeters, draw an arc next with A as the center and the radius is 7 centimeters. Next with A as a center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. Now join A to C and B to C. A to C we have 7 centimeters and B to C length 5.5 centimeters. Now we are going to locate the point D. So for this, with the C as a center with radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. So now take the compass length as 4 centimeters. With C as a center, draw an arc here. Next, with the A at the center, radius is 6 centimeters, draw an arc. Now take the compass length 6 centimeters. Now A at the center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point D. Now join A to D and CD to get required quadrilateral ABCD. Now C to D we have 4 centimeters and A to D 6 centimeters. Next B question in exercise. Quadrilateral PQRS with PQ 3.5 centimeters, QR 4 centimeters, RS 5 centimeters, PS 4 centimeters, and QS 6.5 centimeters. So first we need to draw in rough sketch. You should label P, Q, R, and S. Now P to Q we have 3.5 centimeters and Q to R 4 centimeters. R to S 5 centimeter and P to S 4.5 centimeter, and we have Q to S, this diagonal we have Q to S as 6.5 centimeter. Now let's go to the construction part. Now construct the triangle PQS. So draw PQ line segment with the 3.5 centimeters. Now draw an arc with 4.5 centimeters with the center P. So take the compass radius as 4.5 centimeters. With the P as the center, draw an arc. Now length of Q to S 7 centimeters. Now take the compass radius as 7 centimeters with the help of ruler. Now Q at the center with the radius of 7 centimeters. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point S. Now join PS and QS. Again, now Q at the center, draw an arc with 4 centimeters, and S at the center, draw an arc with 5 centimeters. So for that you should take the compass and take the compass radius as 4 centimeters. Now Q at the center with the radius is 4 centimeters, draw an arc. Now take the compass radius as 5 centimeters. Now S as the center with radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at a point R. Now join S to R and R to S to get a required quadrilateral PQRS. Now P to S 7 centimeters, S to P 4.5 centimeter, and Q to R 4 centimeter, and S to R 5 centimeter. This is the required diagram. Next is C question. Construct a parallelogram ABCD with AB 6 centimeters and C2D 4 centimeters and BD 7.7 centimeter. Now draw a parallelogram first. Label with the given measurements. So first step is draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral and label it with the given measurements. So AB, C, D. A to B 6 centimeters and C to D, and in the question they given wrong, you should take as B to C 4.5 centimeters, and B to D diagonal they given 7.5 centimeters. And we know in a parallelogram opposite sides are also equal, so you should take A to D length as 4.5 centimeters and B to C with 6 centimeters. Now it is a rough sketch of the given question. Now let's go to the construction part. First step, draw AB of length 6 centimeters. Now first complete the triangle ABD. So for that you should take the 4.5 centimeters compass. Now I am taking the compass length as 4.5 centimeters and A as a center with radius 4.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Next, take the compass radius 7.5 centimeters. Now B as a center with radius 7 centimeters. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc 8 point D. Now join A to D and B to D to get required triangle. Now label it with 4.5 centimeters and B to D 7.5 centimeters. Now we are going to locate the point C. So for this, draw an arc from center B 4.5 centimeters and with the center D radius 6 centimeters. So you should take the compass length now 4.5 centimeters. With B as the center, with radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc here. Next, to take the compass radius as 6 centimeters because C to D length 6 centimeters. Now D as a center with radius 6 centimeters. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. Now join this C to D and B to C to get required parallelogram ABCD. It is the last question in exercise 3.2. We are going to construct the rhombus with rhombus nice with the NI 4 centimeters, IE 5.6 centimeters. So first draw a rough sketch of the rhombus and label it with the given measurements. So N, I, C, E, nice. Now Ni we have 4 centimeters and I to E means diagonal they given, that is 5.6 centimeters. What about other dimensions, other lengths? All in a rhombus all sides are equal, so I to C 4 centimeters and C to E 4 centimeters and E to N also becomes 4 centimeters. This is the rough sketch of the given question. Now let's go to the construction part. First draw Ni of length 4 centimeters. Ni 4 centimeters. Now construct the triangle NIE. So for this we are going to locate the point E. So for this draw an arc from center N with the radius 4 centimeters. So now take the scale ruler and with the compass radius as 4 centimeters. Now draw with the N as a center. Draw an arc with radius 4 centimeters. Again take the compass and take the compass radius as 5.6 centimeters because the length of I to E is 5.6 centimeters. Now I as a center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at a point E. Now join E to N and E to I to complete the triangle. Now we got the required triangle NIE. Now write the dimension, write the length, that is 4 centimeters and E to I 5.6 centimeters. Now we are going to locate the point C here. Now E to C and I to C also we have 4 centimeters. So let's take the compass radius as 4 centimeters. I get the center now. with a radius 4 centimeters. Draw an arc with the same radius, I at the center. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. Now join E to C and I to C to get a required quadrilateral rhombus nice. Now label 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.